Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the SIM active and the device charged. Now start. Press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds and watch the LEDs for network and internet. Once the unit finishes booting, locate the printed SSID and default password on the sticker. That's your initial access. Make sure to keep the device in an open area for best signal. Once done connecting your phone or laptop to that SSID, move to Customizing Settings to secure the network and optimize performance. You're connected to the SSID. Open a browser to 192, 168, 1, or admin, Jio Wi-Fi, local, HTML to reach the admin panel. Log in with the default credentials, then change the Wi-Fi name and strong password immediately to prevent casual access. Configure the APN only if your plan needs it, otherwise leave defaults. Adjust DHCP lease time and channel selection to reduce congestion, and enable band selection if your model supports 5 GHz. Once settings are saved, reboot the device to apply changes. You've applied settings and are almost done. Reboot the Jio Wi-Fi so changes take effect, and then test with 2 or 3 devices to confirm stability. Update firmware from the admin page to fix bugs and enable modern security like WPA2 or WPA3 for safer connections. If internet fails, first verify SIM activation and balance, then recheck APN values and reposition the device for better signal. If problems persist, power cycle the unit and SIM. Then contact Jio support with device IMEI and error LEDs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.